Thinking about diving into Pocket Option, but wondering if it's a legit platform or just another risky gamble? Today, we're putting Pocket Option under the microscope, dissecting its regulatory compliance, user reviews, and security protocols to help you decide if it deserves your trust. First, let's talk regulation. Pocket Option is regulated by the MISA International Services Authority, a regulatory body sometimes considered less stringent than top-tier regulators like the FCE or CISEC. While it does provide some oversight, it's crucial to understand the limitations of this regulation. Next, let's analyze user feedback. Scouring online forums and review sites reveals a mixed bag. Some users praise the platform's ease of use and variety of trading instruments, while others express concerns about withdrawal issues and potential manipulation. Weighing these opinions is key to forming a balanced view. Security is paramount. Pocket Option employs standard SSL encryption to protect user data. However, information about advanced security measures, like two-factor authentication or segregated client accounts, is limited. This lack of transparency raises some flags. So, is Pocket Option legit? It's a complex question. While the platform offers a user-friendly interface and a wide range of assets, the weaker regulatory oversight and mixed user reviews should give you pause. Ultimately, the decision is yours. Do your own thorough research, understand the risks involved, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Don't forget to explore alternative platforms with stronger regulatory backing for added peace of mind.